Hello everyone, how are you? I think all of you are good. Today we are going to learn mail merge. So, what is mail merge? Mail merge is a feature of Microsoft Word so that we don't need to type a lot of letters to send a lot of people. What does that mean? Just think about a scenario. You have to send a letter or invitation to 100 people. So will you type it for 100 people? Will you type the letter for 100 people? No, we will not do that. So what we will do? We will just type one letter and it will automatically create the other letters for 100 people as per their name, as per their address, as per their email address and other criteria. So that is the feature of mail merge, and we will see that how to work with the mail merge. So first of all, we have to go to MS Word, double clicking on MS Word, then go to a blank document. Okay, now you can see the mailing options here, the mailing tab. Now I'm going to click on mailings and see start mail merge. So if I click here, there are several options: letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory. So we will work with the letters. Okay, but before working with the mail merge, we have to select the recipients who will get my invitation. So here we will select recipient and we will click type a new list. Then this kind of window will appear. Here you can see these are some fields and we have to modify our field. So click here, customize columns. Here you will find different field names that you want to keep or that you want to delete. So in this tutorial I don't need the title one, so I'm going to delete it. I don't need the last name, so I'm also going to delete the last name. Company name, delete. Address line 2, delete. City, delete. State, delete. Zip code, I don't need it, so delete. Country, delete. Home phone, delete. Okay, so I will work with these 4 fields: first name, address line 1, work phone and email address. Okay, so I'm going to click OK and see now there are only 4 fields available. Okay, first name, address line 1, work phone and email address. Okay, now I'm going to type the recipient name and other credentials. So first name, here first name X, address line Dhaka, work phone 017, a demo phone number I'm giving, email address abc@gmail.com. Okay, now how I will go to the next entry? Press the tab button from your keyboard, that will take you to the next entry. Then Y, Chittagong, the address, phone number 018-400, email address xyz@gmail.com. Press the tab button. Then address line, select, phone number 015300, email address @gmail.com. Then P, address Fatima. Work phone 9200. Okay, so these four are our recipients. So now I am going to click OK, and a window will appear where I have to save my list. So here I am writing mailing list and clicking save. Now see, these disabled options are active now, and here I will choose letters. So it will give me a letter format. If I click email address, then it will give me an email address format. So as I am going to send the letters to all of those people, so I'm selecting letters. Now what I have to do, I have to insert the field that I have created right now. So see, I'm going to click here and selecting the first name. That will give my first name. Press enter, go to the next line, click insert merge field and select address line 1. Press enter, then next field, press enter, then email address, press enter. Now you can also see the greeting line, so you can insert a greeting line here also. So if I click here, this window will appear. Here you can choose the greeting format. So I'm going to select 2. There are some other greeting formats, so I'm keeping the default one. And here, dear sir or madam. Okay, now I'm going to click OK. Now see, the greeting line is here. Now I have to write my letter. To do so, I'm just typing a command to give me a writing, and it will give me a writing. That's a demo writing. And now I'm finishing my writing here. Thank you. Okay, so in this way I'm preparing a letter. Now when your letter has finished, then you have to go here, finish and merge. See, finish and merge. So if I click here, and you will get some options here. I will choose the edit individual documents. So if I click here, then what you want to merge? You want to merge records, all current record, or form. You can select some other values from here. Right now I need to send to all of my recipients, so that I am selecting all. So click OK, and dramatically you will see the magic here. You have written this letter to all of your recipients. See, X, Y, with different address, location that you choose before, and Z, P. So all of your recipient will receive the letter. So in this way you can send a lot of letters to a lot of people by just typing only one time. So I hope all of you have understood what is mail merge, and I hope from now on you'll be able to work with the mail merge. So I'm going to close the window.